Do you have life insurance with your minor children listed as beneficiaries? Well, stick around. I'm about to explain some problems that could arise. Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Krista Hermance, and I am the estate planning mom. Our firm, Hermance Law, has estate planning attorneys that focuses on helping parents with minor children. Make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when we release videos every Thursday. Today we are talking about life insurance policies when you list your child who is a minor as the primary beneficiary on that life insurance policy. A lot of times when parents do this, they don't necessarily consider what would actually happen to that money going to their minor children if the child was a minor when they received it. When a child receives money, if they are a minor, that money goes through the court system and would go into a blocked account where the child wouldn't necessarily be able to spend the money freely or their guardian spend the money freely. It is blocked by the court system, so it is monitored there. But what happens is there's going to be fees associated with that money going through the court system until they're 18, and then when they turn 18, they get all of that money that's left in that account. Okay, and when you have a life insurance policy, that could be a lot of money. You know, I see life insurance policies all of the time that have $1 million benefits. And if something were to happen to a parent and that $1 million was to go to that child, that's a lot of money for a child who has lost their parent and is now turning 18 years old. Okay, you know, if this isn't something that you've thought about, you know, I want to make sure that you're aware, because a lot of parents don't think about it, okay, when they list their kids as minors or as beneficiaries on their policy. There are ways to put plans in place to fix this, though. If that's not what you want, if you wouldn't want it to have to go through the court system and go to them all in one lump sum at 18, there are other things that you can do. One of the things that we do is work with families in creating a revocable living trust. This allows the family to list the trust as a beneficiary for the life insurance policy to be distributed through the trust to their kids at the ages that they would want, like 25, 30, and 35, rather than everything at 18 years old. There was a case that I saw recently where there was a little boy who lost his mom, and he was 5, and the life insurance policy of the mom had the little boy listed as the primary beneficiary. She was married to the father of the child, but I don't know why, but the father wasn't listed as the beneficiary of her life insurance policy. So the father actually had to go through court to get this money put into a blocked account for his son. Now the son is going to get all of it when he turns 18 years old. So if this isn't what your intent is, when you list your kids as a beneficiary on your life insurance policy, make sure to speak with an attorney, an estate planning attorney, to make sure that you know what you actually intend can actually happen. What plans do you need to put in place to be able to you know, that if something ever happened, it would actually be distributed the way that you would want it to be. And this is something that we help families with all of the time, and making sure that they have a plan that's set up exactly the way that they would want it. Thank you again for joining me today, and make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when we release videos every Thursday. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.